Today I want to show you how I do this marbling technique, also called agate ware. It starts with making the colored clay. So we have all these different pigments that you can mix into the clay. So we're mixing in this green color into some bee clay. We use an immersion blender to get it really nice and mixed up. And then it's right at the right consistency where you can pour it on a plaster bat. And it's too wet to use, but after a few days, it'll dry up and then we can wedge it. So you know it's ready to use when it's not super sticky and you can actually form it. So then we start layering it together. So we have green, blue, and this red color all mixed up, and I keep layering it together, cutting it in half, layering it again so that we get lots of different layers that we can work with. So then I'm going to make it into a slab, and then I will cut little pieces to put on the outside of the clay. So I make balls just like I would normally for the wheel, but now I'm going to layer these pieces of clay on the outside so that just that tiny little layer on the outside of the pot will have that marbling effect. Then you just throw the pot like normal and the wheel does the magic. So the fun part at the end is revealing the layers of clay underneath. So I take a metal rib and scrape off that slip to reveal what it looks like. And you really don't know exactly what it's going to look like until it gets fired, because the colors will change throughout the firing process, and we put a clear glaze on the outside, and that really makes the colors pop. These will be a few weeks before they're totally done, but we'll have them in our March collection, which is March 9th. We'll have a whole collection available on Etsy for sale.